Welcome to Mary Seat of Wisdom Montessori School. We are a private school serving children ages 2 to 12 in Steubenville, Ohio. We'd like to give you a tour. Let's go. These are our hooks for the toddler program, where they hang up their coat. Our first room, known as the nido, meaning nest in Italian, serves children 2 to 3 years old. The environment is prepared so that children can gain independence and confidence. The materials are placed within the children's reach so they can choose what they want to work with. The Montessori materials are designed to develop fine motor skills, concentration, and order. Our guides work with children so that they can feel confident using materials independently. Welcome to Primary, a room for children ages 3 to 6. Let's take a look. The room is divided into 4 parts: language, math, sensorial, and practical life. In the math area, children are looking at numbers and quantities and how to put them together. They are also learning about the order of operations in a very concrete way. In the sensorial area, children learn about shapes, sizes, colors, textures, smells, and sounds by isolating their senses. For example, here are the smelling bottles. Children learn to identify vocabulary, such as bitter and sweet, to certain smells, and pair bottles to match the smells. Sensorial materials require children to classify and categorize materials, an essential step in developing the mind. Our children learn about what is going on in the world through cultures, botany, geography, water, air, and landforms. They learn about the different continents. In the language area, children learn vocabulary through picture and object matching. Children use sandpaper letters to learn by feeling the sounds. We use cursive, as that supports how children's hands naturally want to move. Children transition naturally from spelling to reading print material. In our practical life area, skills are learned that will help them for the rest of their lives. The materials are child-sized so that they can be used appropriately. We use real materials such as glass, wood, and metal. If something breaks, that's okay. We want children to learn from natural consequences. Each material has a specific spot on the shelf to teach children to put their materials away just as they found them. The children learn to care for themselves, each other, and for the environment. In Montessori Elementary, the same topics are covered that you'd find in a traditional curriculum: math, geometry, language, all cultural areas such as history and science. Everything is hands-on, however, so that children can experience and see what it looks like. Everything in the elementary room is small group lessons, because children are quite social at this age. They spend much time learning from one another, not only academics, but how to be cooperative and work together, to be part of a team. They take responsibility for their environment as well. Chores and tasks rotate through students, such as setting the table for lunch, keeping clean different areas of the room, and tidying the library area. Much time is spent on those virtues that we'd like to see as adults. One experience available to elementary children is known as going outs. In this unique experience, 2 children or a few children study a topic and then plan to go out into the community to find their topic taking place in real life. A few going outs that happened this year include a study of cats that led to visiting an animal shelter, or a study of how X-rays work, which led to visiting an X-ray lab. This room is known as the Great Room. It is where the primary children gather in the morning to change their shoes and hang up their coats. It is also the room that we use for more boisterous and physical activities on very rainy days. It is also where the primary and elementary students eat lunch. today on our tour. If you are interested in learning more, please check out our website, maryseatofwisdomcc.com, or email our directress at mswmdirector@gmail.com. Thank you!